Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show y'all a hyperlapse of Phillip and I tearing down a free EJ255 long block that we got from a friend. This long block had been sitting in his garage for a couple years now, and he wasn't planning on doing anything with it. All we know about it is that it was pulled from the car because there was something wrong with it. When we did the teardown, we were fully expecting the heads to at least be fine and salvageable. But unfortunately, that was not the case at all. It could have a lot of use as being a great boat anchor, but that's pretty much it. So stay tuned to the end of the video to see all the carnage that we found inside this engine, and then you'll see why this engine is going right to the scrap pile.
The rod just sitting over there.
Yep. That's pretty bad. That sucks.
It's all trash.
It's worth a try. Worth a try.
Oh man.
What?
This is worse. Look at that.
Oh shit.
Yeah, you can't reuse these at all.
Damn. Oh, damn. Alright. Let's see. That is rough. Very rough. I mean, that's...
Disintegrate.
You can hear it.
Yeah. Yeah, you couldn't even fix that, man. That's deep.
That's horrible.
Like
What the hell?
Deep, deep.
Damn. These are also pretty messed up. Oh snap! I found the carnage! Check this out. That's the rod. Wild. Let's see. crazy. It's really eating up. Let's see if I can grab it. And that's wild. It's the piston. And then you can see further down. Is it eaten up even more? Yep. That's a trash block.